Everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On this video, we will be creating with the newest Softflex Company design kit, Sunset Splendor. I am using items from the kit, these exclusive beads, these beads here from the Jesse James Bead Mix, and garnet Softflex wire. And if these items are still available, I will leave a link down below in the description, as well as the playlist to all other tutorials for this fantastic design kit. You'll need 2x2s, and I'm using gold. It came in the kit, and then just a piece of chain. And I went ahead and just attached my clasp with the jump rings and then 2 jump rings at the end. Before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Use about 7 inches of the Softflex one. And when using the Softflex wire, I like to work on the spool. That just acts as a beadstock. So we have all our supplies ready. Let's start creating. We're going to start with one of these red ovals and just alternate. Pink beads were so pretty. I don't think I've ever seen a bead that, it's a paddle bead. I don't think I've ever seen a bead that looked like. Softflex Company kits are fantastic. You never know what you're going to get in them. So it's really a nice surprise when you find the little unique items. So that's what our design is going to look like, full of sparkle. Added on all the beads to our necklace. We're just going to grab our chain and a 2x2. Couple design options here is you could attach the Softflex directly to the chain. I just like to attach it to a jump ring. So we have our Softflex through the jump ring. We're just going to pass it back through our 2x2. And you want just a little bit of wiggle room. If it's right up to the bead or the jump ring, it can cause tension. We're just going to take our pliers and give it a little smash, and we're going to rotate, and this is just going to give it a more professional finish, as well as show your Softflex wire in your design. So we have a little bit of a tail. We can either trim that or just tuck it into the next bead. And then we're just going to slide down our Softflex and all our beads. Just trim a good working length. Slide on our last 2x2. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side of the jump ring. Slide through and back through your 2x2. And you want to make sure that your loops are fairly the same size. So we've kind of just made a bar necklace using Softflex wire instead of a cloth wire. And do the same thing, it's just going to give it a smash and rotate. And our little tail, I'm just going to go ahead and trim. And be sure to save your Softflex wire. You never know when you'll need it for another project. And we have a quick and easy bar necklace using the newest Softflex Company design kit, Sunset Splendor. Another design option, if you wanted to, you could cut apart the chain here and just add some extra beads in for some more sparkle. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all items featured in this video, as well as playlists for other tutorials. Have a wonderful day.